Y'all, listen, when it comes to your hair, patience is a virtue. Listen, be patient. Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am your girl, Riquel Angela, and I am back with another YouTube video. This time, it has something to do with my hair. Yes, y'all. Do y'all see this bounce, baby? Do you see it? Okay, because I see it. And if you guys are new to my channel, what's up and welcome in, y'all. And to all my new subscribers, welcome back, y'all. Thank y'all for so much for tuning into this video. This is a natural hair tutorial for my braid out, y'all. This is my go-to style outside of a natural hair puff. I love to do braid outs. I love the definition that it gives me, y'all. You guys want to achieve this look, you have to stay tuned for this video. I will show you guys what I did. Listen, you don't really have to go out your way to buy extra unnecessary products. Everything you should have already in your house, okay? I will show you guys how I do it. It's super quick. I did this after freshly washing my hair, so y'all just follow along with me. Enough talking. Come on, come with me. Let's go. Hello, my natural hair queens. So I am starting my hair off with damp hair, freshly washed hair. This is what my hair looks like as soon as I finish washing it, and it's just coming out of the twist that I make when I wash my hair. So I am going to go ahead and apply almond oil to my hair. I've been using almond oil for a long time. I've even used the Mielle mint almond oil before. So I really like it. It's super lightweight. So I'm applying that to my hair. I like to, you can either follow the lock method, LOC, or the LCO method. It's up to you. As long as you're adding some moisture, whether if it's an oil or a cream base. So right here, I am applying some leave-in conditioner. It's by the Mielle Organics line. It is their Moisture RX Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner. Y'all, I am so ready to cut the ends of my hair. I don't know. I might do like a big chop soon. All right, and so after that, I'm using the Mielle Organics. It is their pomegranate and honey twisting souffle, and that's almost like a hair butter type thing. So I'm applying that to my hair, and I'm making sure that it is spread out evenly through the small sections of my hair. So once I apply that, I am using my homemade hair butter. Like I'm at like the last little bit of it. And that hair butter is just shea butter, coconut oil, almond oil, and some tea tree oil in that hair butter. I made it myself, and I just wanted to apply that to my hair for extra moisture. So now I'm going to apply gel, and I'm using the Eco Style Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Gel. This is my favorite gel from the Eco Style line. I'm applying this. I actually most recently started using gel to my braid outs. I definitely like the definition that the gel adds to it. So I'm doing that after, and now I am detangling my hair, making sure that I'm getting my hair out of those tangles. Now look, the thicker your hair is, be prepared for those tangles, okay? But don't let this intimidate you from being a beautiful natural hair queen. I love it. And I'm realizing with your hair, you have to take time, and eventually you'll be able to, grow with your hair, and you'll know what's good for it and what's not. I feel like it's a journey. It's your natural hair journey, right? So once you finish detangling, go ahead and plait up your hair. I usually do 2 plaits in each section in the back, so that makes it 4 braids in the back. And then in the front, I do about 3 to 4 in the front in each section. I don't know. I'm definitely considering to cut my hair a little bit. I feel like I dealt with a little bit of postpartum shedding after having my beautiful baby girl, mostly like around my edges and maybe a little bit in the middle of my hair. But my hair for the most part has maintained its length. I've clipped my ends just a little bit, maybe about like an inch off, but I'm willing to cut about 2.5, 3 inches. I don't know. Let's see, ladies. Let's see what I come up with. So this definitely looks like product overload, but listen, ladies, I am taking my t-shirt, yes, a t-shirt that I don't use, only for my hair, and I am just taking off the excess product. And this also will help your hair dry a little faster. I don't really sit under the dryer. I just do my hair at night and wake up in the morning and I do it. But in this case, I did my hair a little late, so I'm about to go to bed. Okay, good night. Hey, what's up, y'all? I am back with my braid out. I want to take it a loose with you guys. It's just a tad bit damp, not too bad. Just a little damp, mainly up near the roots. Yeah, as I get up in here, it's damp. So this is slightly damp. I was impatient, y'all. Listen, when it comes to your hair, patience is a virtue. Listen, be patient. It's still a little damp. A little shrinkage won't hurt anybody. Listen, I want my channel to be like a trial and error. So if I do things and it doesn't work out, this is what this is for. Like, you guys to watch, okay, she did it this way, that didn't work out. So like, don't do what I just did. Like, let your hair be dry. I was a lazy one and I should have finished blow drying it. So that way it won't have that frizz effect. But it's okay, because that's what I'm here for. So like, look at this definition. Listen, if you don't do braid outs, the time is now. Do a braid out, like, start today if you can. I find so much definition in a braid out versus a twist out. And if you guys want to see the difference between my braid out and my twist outs, I will do a twist out for you guys. I just recently started adding gel to my twist outs, so which I really like that a whole lot better. And it doesn't take much, y'all. It does not take much to do this. And I was just using products that I had already. I ordered some products from like this small business that I want to try out, and I'll share it with you guys. But I was just waiting for those to come in. But I really wanted to do my hair, and I really wanted to have like a video to show. You got to use what's already in your home. Sometimes you don't always have to go out and buy stuff, you know. So this is what my hair looks like as soon as I like take it out. Now, it would look so much better had I waited for it to completely dry. It's just a little damp. It's not like that bad. So I feel like because it is just a tad bit damp, I'll have a little bit more shrinkage, but that's okay. And I'm just separating it a little bit because of the frizziness that I have in my hair. I'm trying to be quiet because my daughter's room is literally like right behind this wall here. So I'm trying to be quiet during a little nap time, but it's okay. So this is just kind of like how I separate it. I don't really like to play with the hair that's in the front too much. I don't really like to irritate it, so this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna clamp it like this, and then I'm just gonna like, oh, it's a little bit of product buildup. Don't like that. So maybe I use too much product. And it's a trial and error, see? And like I said, I don't normally use gel on my hair, so it could be the too much gel, too much product buildup, but it's fine. You see, it's not everywhere. I can already feel, I can see it, it's shrinking. So I don't really like to manipulate too much of the front curls or twists. I don't really like to bother the front section too much, because I like this hanging effect. See? So I hope it looks right in the back. See? Y'all, I've been working on like my camera, making sure like you guys are getting the good quality. So let me know what y'all think, okay? So it's just a little bit of product buildup, y'all see? And honestly, listen, when you take out your twists, when you take out your braid outs, get oil. I'm being another lazy, but again, my oil is not in here. My husband used it too, so he put it back in the bathroom. So I think it's time for us to get a his and hers oil. But I'm liking this, like, and y'all, the way my hair is set up, it gets bigger and bigger, literally, as days go. So I think I can last up to about 3 days because I have 4C hair, and then I just like it a certain way. And then by that time, I'll just wear it into a high puff and just keep it moving. So this is how I get my braid outs. All right, y'all, I am back, and this is, honestly, I let my hair dry a little bit. It was damp the last time I saw you guys, and it's probably only been maybe 15-20 minutes. It didn't really shrink too bad, too much, but this is the definition. Okay. All right, y'all, listen, you don't have to really use too many products, too much. Use what's in your home. You got gel, you got a curling styling cream. Do you have hair butter, hair cream? Because it's good to add extra moisture to your hair, especially during the cold season, the winter season. With me being like 4C, and I think my hair is also low porosity, it requires like a lot of moisture. And when I am actually taking care of my hair and not neglecting it, you can tell that it's been taking in that moisture. So this is just my final touch. I like it a lot. Yeah, let me know if you guys have any suggestions. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Let me know what you guys think. I appreciate all the love and all the support, and thank you guys for tuning in.